Hello everyone, today let's take a detailed look at how to install and adjust the MONER 950T welding helmet. Mode switching and adjustment. Press and hold the test button to power on the helmet. When the indicator light turns on, the helmet is powered on. Short press the test button to test the helmet and check whether the lens darkens properly. All other control buttons are located on the side of the helmet. Short press the battery indicator button to check the remaining battery level in real time. Short press the mode button to switch between grind, cut, and weld modes. Grind mode uses shade level 4. Cut mode covers shade levels 5 to 8. Weld mode covers shade levels 9 to 13. Short press the sensi button to adjust the lens sensitivity. There are 5 adjustable sensitivity levels. Short press the delay button to adjust the delay time for returning from dark to light. There are 5 adjustable delay levels. Light control. There is a light control module located on the side of the helmet. Short press the power button to turn on constant light mode. Press and hold the power button to activate flashing light mode. Short press the power button again to turn the light off. When the light is on, an infrared control is enabled. You can use hand gestures near the infrared sensor to turn the light on or off in real time. Headgear adjustment and wearing. There is a quick release button on each side of the helmet. Press it to easily remove the headgear. There are 5 fore and aft adjustment positions available. Insert the headgear into the desired position. Make sure both sides are set to the same position. At the top of the headgear, there are 2 adjustment points to fit different head sizes. Next, put on the helmet and tighten the rear ratchet knob and side knobs. The helmet can be flipped up or down and locked securely at the desired angle. Protective lens replacement. To replace the inner protective lens, first remove the old inner lens from the lens assembly. Align the new inner lens with the mounting slots and press it into place until fully seated. The inner protective lens is now properly installed. Outer protective lens replacement. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry at the inner clips of the outer lens. Gently pull outward to remove the lens. Remove the other clip. And repeat the same steps on the opposite side. The old outer protective lens can now be removed. Align the new outer lens with the mounting holes and position the clips. Press the lens inward until the clips snap into place. Repeat on the other side. The outer protective lens is now properly installed. Type-C charging. Connect the Type-C cable to the helmet's charging port and plug the other end into a power source. When the charging indicator lights up, the helmet is charging. Once fully charged, simply unplug the Type-C cable. That concludes the usage guide for the MONER 950T welding helmet.